Hello traders. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the wave dots indicator for MT4. This indicator combines Elliott Wave concepts with technical analysis, plotting colored dots on the price chart to mark potential wave endings, new wave beginnings, and possible buy or sell zones. At this point, I'm going to load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember, I want to allow the LL inputs. Alright, there we have it. As you can see on the chart, the wave dots indicator plots dots directly on the price chart at points where a wave may be completing and a new wave may be starting. As you can see, green dots typically appear below price to indicate areas where the market may be shifting from a downward move into a potential upward wave, while red dots appear above price to indicate the opposite. These dots visually highlight potential trend shifts or continuation spots and can help you infer likely support and resistance levels. As for the indicator settings, let's look at the customizable parameters. Okay, so here we have the all bars, we have six size, symbol sign, and we have alert settings as well. We can enable alerts. Yeah, we can choose the alert sound file name. You can also customize the colors for the dots that appear so they fit in perfectly or stand out clearly on our underlying MT4 chart theme. Alright, so who's this indicator for? The wave dots indicator is suitable for traders who like a simplified visual take on Elliott Wave style swings and who want clear on chart prompts for buy and sell signals or zones. It can give false signals in choppy or ranging markets, may be slow to react to sudden changes, and should be used together with other technical tools rather than as a standalone decision system. The download link is in the description below. You can read the full wave dots indicator article, including strategy examples, pros and cons, and additional tips at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.